Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is WeldPro 200 Multi Process Welder. The IGT inverter technology provides high power in a light, compact unit, 30 pounds. These units are capable of performing MIG, lift, TIG and stick welding equally well at maximum 200 amp output. MIG 200 GDS V3-in-1 multi-process dual voltage synergic welder is designed for hardware, decoration, car modification, equipment and factory maintenance. Here's not much this unit can't do. With dual digital display, easy to read and set amperage and wire speed for repeatable welds every time, 2T/4T modes, spool gun capability, and advanced DC lift TIG features, this multi-process welder truly handles about any chore, including aluminum when used with the spool gun in the MIG mode. To see unboxing, let's watch more.
What's up everybody, it's Luke from WeldPro. Today I am here with the awesome MIG 200 multi-process welder. Got it here behind me in the box. I want to go ahead and take this thing out of the box for you today and show you exactly what comes in it, so when you order, you know what to expect. First thing you'll find in the top is your owner's manual. Keep this handy for reference as you're setting up the welder. The second thing you pull out is going to be the accessory and parts box. We'll go through this here in just a second. And in the bottom of your box, you'll find your MIG 200. These machines are absolutely beautiful. Very nice control surface on the front, tactile buttons and rotary knob, great enamel finish, and quality parts all the way around. Inside this machine, you've got an all-metal drive system. We'll talk a little more about the machine itself in part 2, the setup video, where we show you how to adjust the interface, set up wire, and attach everything to this machine. Let's break open this parts box and see exactly what's inside. The MIG 200 is a dual voltage machine. It'll run on 220 volts or 110 volts AC. The MIG 200 comes with a dual voltage adapter. Simply plug in the 220 volt plug from the machine into the adapter and it converts to 110 volts. In the box, you'll locate your ground clamp with the cable attached. This is an awesome ground clamp with a strong spring. You'll also find your stinger or your electrode holder. These are high quality electrode holders and work extremely well for a long time. Next, we find the gas hose. This will allow us to connect our flow meter to our machine. Speaking of flow meters, there is a very nice brass flow meter that comes with the MIG 200. It's found in this white box. We'll go ahead and leave it in here for now so it's protected until we install it. Next thing to come out is the TIG torch. The MIG 200 is a multi-process welder, therefore it's capable of running DC TIG. The TIG torch that comes with it has a hand-operated gas valve. Keep an eye out because we're going to have a separate video on setting this machine up to run TIG. You'll find a TIG parts kit located in this box. It contains parts like tungsten, collets, collet bodies, and gas cups. There's also a clear bag with contact tips, as well as a wrench to install them. You'll find some extra drive rolls along with a wing nut. We'll need this to set up the MIG gun, and I'll show you about that in part 2. Last but not least is the Ergo Plus MIG gun. This is an extremely nice MIG gun with a ball relief on the back. It makes it very comfortable to use. Also, the trigger is made for 2 fingers, so it doesn't cause fatigue. The parts are easy to disassemble and reassemble. Just overall a very nice MIG gun. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please take a minute and hit the subscribe button under this video. WeldPro is committed to releasing tutorials and how-to videos to better help you hone your craft. Thanks again. From all of us here at WeldPro, we can't wait to see what you build with your MIG 200.
Our second best multi-process welder is Lotos LTPDC 2000D welder. The Lotus LTPDC 2000D is a first-to-market multi-purpose welder that allows the user to DC TIG/stick weld and plasma cut all from one portable machine. LTPDC 2000D combines three functions into one with a 200 a DC TIG welder, a 200 a stick welder, and a 50 a pilot arc plasma cutter with the flip of a switch. It is able to cut various types of metal up to ½ inch with the 50 a pilot arc plasma cutting function. The pre-installed NPT 1/4 Industry Type D plug and air filter regulator allows you to quick connect to your air compressor by using the stand coupler existing on your air compressor. The whole machine can be set up quickly within 1 minute. Third picking our list is Everlast PowerMs 211C. The Power MTS 211C has more than enough capability to handle most daily chores. As one of the newest multi-process welders in the Everlast Power MTS line, the unit has been completely redesigned with the user in mind. This new digital inverter model features all the capability of previous generations but also adds synergic capability to the MIG component of the MIG/TIG/stick welder. The Synergic offers quick setup and use of the welder based off of user input of wire diameter and metal type. Manual override is always a choice when operating the unit in the Synergic mode so that the operator can fine-tune. Number 4 in our side is Forney Easy Weld 140MP. The Forney Easy Weld 140MP is a multi-process welder that can easily be switched between MIG, DC TIG and stick welding. This unit is built tough with an all-metal case and metal wire drive assembly. The Forney Easy Weld 140MP is big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire, and features infinite voltage and wire feed speed controls to help dial in the perfect weld. With this welder, you can use gas or gasless wire up to 0.035, and up to 1/8 stick electrodes. Let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney Easy Weld 140MP. It's capable of MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a single-phase inverter multi-process welder. The input is 120 volts and the max output is 140 amps. This machine comes with a quick start guide, manual, and Forney contact info in case you have questions. It also comes with a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, MIG gun, an extra 030 contact tip, stick electrode holder, ground cable, and clamp. The selector switch allows you to choose MIG, stick, or TIG welding. The left knob is for voltage and amps depending on what mode you're in. This machine is designed to hold 10 pounds of gas or gasless wire. The right knob is for the wire feed speed while in MIG or wire feed mode. If you want to use shielding gas for true MIG welding, you will also need to purchase a regulator and a gas line. We recommend item numbers 85363 and 85663 as they are not included with this machine. If you want to TIG weld, this is a lift arc TIG machine and the TIG torch is sold separately. For stick welding, you can use up to 1/8 inch electrode. That sums up the Forney Easy Weld 140MP. This is the perfect machine to learn the basics of welding and get experience with different processes. It's ideal for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, hobbyists, and metal artists. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like denim or cotton, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and FR jacket.
Number 5 in our top 5 best multi-process welder list is Everlast PowerMs 251C. The Compact Power MTS 251C is one of the 4th generation of digitally controlled multi-process inverter welders from Everlast. Taking our customers' feedback into consideration from previous models, the all-new Power MTS 251C is designed to be as versatile as ever with not only standard DC MIG, TIG and stick welding capability but also with Synergic MIG, Pulse MIG, and Pulse TIG welding modes. This new welder is a leader in the compact multi-process welder class as both Pulse MIG and Pulse TIG features are not available from any other manufacturer. The stick mode offers more adjustability than ever with the addition of hot start intensity and hot start duration controls. If you are worried that these features may complicate the operation of the welder, then don't. The unit was designed with ease of operation in mind. There are no complicated menus to navigate, no touch screens to press and no complicated hidden features which are difficult to access. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.